In this next posture of the Ba Duan Jin set, we are going to move all the weight onto one side of the body or one foot, relaxing the shoulder and the hip joint. So again, relax, loosen the knees and hips, shift all your weight onto the left leg and sink into it. Breathe out as you turn and look over your shoulder. Breathe in and come back to the front. Then move to the right side. Relax the shoulder and the hip, all the weight into the right side of the body. Sink in the foot, breathe out and turn. Hold it for a few seconds and come back to the front. So again, 8 times. Breathe out, hold it for a few seconds, breathe in. Right side, left side. Exercise is good for making the spine flexible and releasing tension in the back. Michelle will now demonstrate the posture, deliberately putting in a few mistakes. Okay, try to keep the arms in front of the chest. Okay. Try to keep your foot still, so release the hip joint. Okay, again. And one more. Okay, good.